Hello everybody, in this video, we're going to be selling some of Graham Stephan's famous 20-cent iced coffee. And we're not going to be selling it in some random place like the side of the road. We are going to be selling this coffee in front of Starbucks. If you guys have been living under a rock or you simply aren't part of YouTube's financial community and you don't know who Graham Stephan is, he's basically a YouTuber that teaches you how to save and invest your money for financial independence. And one thing he hates more than anything is when people tell him that they just spent $4 on a Starbucks cup of coffee. Graham Stephan thinks that you should rather make that cup of coffee with the same great taste for 20 cents at your own house.
I see your budget here. Dining and coffee, $645. 40% is on coffee. What the hell is going on?
It's an addiction.
I have an addiction too, bro. I have 20-cent coffees that I make at home.
So in this video, I thought it would be a good idea to follow Graham Stephan's recipe for making the 20-cent iced coffee, and then I'm going to sell that 20-cent iced coffee at Starbucks in this video. I made the 20-cent iced coffee yesterday. I used Starbucks coffee mix. I put hot water in the coffee machine. I started it, and then once the coffee was made, I put it in the freezer overnight, just like his video instructs. With the 20-cent iced coffee already being made, the only thing that is left to do before I sell this coffee in front of Starbucks is I need to get some cups for my coffee, and I also need to get a sign to advertise my coffee selling services. So guys, with that all being said, let's get going to the store. You are about to witness a cold startup on a 2007 Toyota Corolla LE. I feel like cold startups are a lot cooler if your car is actually cool. But anyways, guys, we're gonna head to the store right now to go get some cups and a poster board for our 20-cent iced coffee business. So I'll see you guys at the store right now. I just went inside and got the cups and the poster board for our 20-cent iced coffee business, and the total was $2.63. And that even includes the coffee you see in this container and the ice you see in this cup right here. My parents are the ones that drink coffee. I don't drink coffee at all, so I just used their coffee to make the 20-cent iced coffee you see right here. So our total cost is $2.63 for this business. Now that we have all of the supplies we need to sell 20-cent Graham Stephan iced coffee, I'm going to set a few more things up, and then I will see you guys at Starbucks. Our iced coffee advertising sign is now complete. I'm going to be selling the iced coffee for $1 because this is a business channel and we're trying to make a profit. Okay everyone, so we're here at Starbucks right now. We are all set up with our little stand. As you can see right down here, we have the sign, we've got ice, we've got coffee, and we've got cups. All we have to do now is just get some people to buy coffee from us for $1. Excuse me? We're doing a fun little experiment today. where we're like attempting to sell coffee in front of Starbucks. Do you want to come to our stand?
Maybe later.
Maybe later? All right, sounds good. Thank you. Excuse me? We're doing a fun little experiment where we're trying to sell iced coffee in front of Starbucks.
I noticed that.
You saw?
Yeah.
All right.
When I
Well,
walked down,
if you want to come by our stand,
what's the purpose?
we're gonna see if we can sell iced coffee in front of Starbucks.
in front of
Yeah,
coffees.
for fun. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
How much is it?
$1. And you
$1.
gotta rate how good our coffee is because we're beginners in the art of making coffee. So.
Okay.
All right. If you want to come by later.
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you. No, are you coming by? What? Okay, so those people in the car there seemed really interested in what we had to sell, but they drove away super fast, so I'm not sure if they want to come by our iced coffee stand. But oh, they're coming around, never mind. They're interested in what we have to sell. Let's see. Hello. What's up? Welcome to our iced coffee stand.
Wait, what's your like point of this? Like, are you trying to like?
So we're trying to sell coffee in front of Starbucks because I have this series on YouTube called Risky Business, and basically, like, I sell McDonald's in front of Burger King. I've sold candy in front of the movie theater. I've done a bunch of crazy things. So today we're attempting to sell iced coffee in front of Starbucks.
Wait, and why wouldn't you like get in trouble from Starbucks?
We will eventually, but we're gonna hopefully leave before they find out. So do you want to check out our selection? We've got coffee and ice, so we can make iced coffee. Do you want to see how good we are?
Yeah.
I don't know how good our coffee making skills are, but we're doing our best here, okay? You gotta rate it. All right. Okay, rate our iced coffee.
Luckily, I actually like it black. So.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have any options. Is it bad? Oh. If it's terrible, then we'll have to see.
It's not. It's just like
Regular coffee.
regular coffee.
So we're not better than Starbucks.
Well,
We're getting there.
I mean, Starbucks is like a big business, so.
We're gonna beat them one day.
Okay.
So we made $1. I appreciate your business.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping out Wolf Enterprises. Guys, I just heard a message from someone inside Starbucks. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. Hello?
You better quit with your YouTube now and get on out of here.
Oh, so I can't sell coffee in front of Starbucks?
No, not at this Starbucks.
Who told on us?
Can you see me right now?
Yeah, I can.
I can see you, William.
Hello?
I can see your camera. Turn that off. I don't want to be filmed. I didn't give you permission.
Well, she's just filming me, that's all.
I don't believe you.
Do you guys should I come inside and then give you my 20-cent iced coffee?
Come inside.
All right.
Yes, give us your money.
I'm gonna go inside. Man, that was so weird. Someone from the drive-thru started yelling at me, and I was like, "Who is this?" And I don't know how they know my name either. So I'm gonna go inside of Starbucks. I'm gonna give them my 20-cent iced coffee, and I'll see what they think of it. Okay, so I'm about to prepare a 20-cent iced coffee for the people inside of Starbucks since they caught us selling iced coffee. They weren't mean like the people at the movie theater who caught us selling candy in front of the movie theater. So since these guys are nice, I'm gonna get them a free 20-cent iced coffee. Dang, I'm getting really good at making iced coffee. Like, I'm literally a pro at this. So let's go bring this inside. These are 20-cent iced coffee. You can try it. How'd you guys see us? How'd you guys see us? I don't think we're very good at making coffee.
Well, I see one of you.
What? That's disgusting. Oh, you saw me. Oh, dang. So they saw me from the drive-thru. That's how we got caught.
My name is William. I just wanted to be a part of your video.
Okay, well, thank you guys. All right, bye. What? All right, got you. If we make any money, we'll let you know. I'm not letting them know if we make any money, because this is all about profit. We're not giving Starbucks our profit. We're taking their profit away. Okay guys, so I know this video has been really confusing so far, but basically what's been going on is we've been trying to sell our 20-cent iced coffee and the Starbucks employees saw us from the drive-thru. And apparently I know someone who works at Starbucks. I didn't even know that person works at Starbucks, and they knew my name, and they told all the Starbucks employees. And then they were like, hey, don't sell iced coffee, or if you make any profit, you have to give it to us. And I was like, oh yeah, that's totally fine. So I'm gonna continue selling this iced coffee, and if I make any profit, I'm not gonna give it to Starbucks. Hi, excuse me. We're doing a little experiment where we're trying to steal business from Starbucks for fun. So we're selling iced coffee in front of Starbucks. Do you want to test our coffee before you go inside Starbucks?
Oh, no, thank you.
No thanks? All right, well, have a good day. Bye. I think the sales pitch steal business from Starbucks kind of turns people off because it makes them think that we're doing something really wrong. So instead, I'm just gonna say, would you like to buy coffee from our coffee stand? I'm gonna try and make it seem like we're not doing anything wrong. We have better coffee than Starbucks. Okay, you're interested?
We'll get one.
Awesome. Yeah, we have iced coffee.
Are you guys doing your own thing or is this part of Starbucks?
So we're kind of doing our own thing, but then Starbucks found out, and we literally went inside, and they didn't seem to care. So
Really?
I don't know. Yeah, surprisingly. Here you go.
Thanks, guys.
Oh,
Thanks, guys.
here, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, thank you. Hopefully you like the coffee. This is awesome. We have $2 in sales now. We're so close to breaking even. We've been out here for quite a while now, so hopefully we can get one more sale before we leave. I don't know. We've been out here for over an hour. We got to get going soon, but we're doing our best. Hi. Wait. What's going on?
You selling coffee out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't do that outside of
We
Starbucks.
can't sell coffee?
Not outside of
Oh,
Starbucks.
okay. Well,
yeah.
first they told us, and then they didn't seem to care, and so we continued doing it.
Oh.
And then you don't want us to do this?
Yeah, no, I'm the manager on duty. You gotta get like a
Okay.
permit and stuff like
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
so-
We'll head out.
Yeah, cool.
Sorry. All right. Bye. We're leaving. Bye. Oh, they didn't respond. I spoke into the place where you order on the drive-thru. Okay, everyone, so it is official. We made $2 selling Graham Stephan 20-cent iced coffee in front of Starbucks. I'm happy that we got some sales with this business. It's unfortunate that we got kicked out by the Starbucks manager. At first, the employees didn't seem to care, and then the manager came out and said that we have to get out of here. So we better hurry up because hopefully they didn't call the cops on us. Anyways, guys, with that all being said, I think that's gonna about wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel if you have not already. Guys, thanks so much if you made it to the end, and peace out.